Dear parents, you must have lot of complaints from us. We are rebelling, not listening to you, not communicating, laying down all day, always irritated. We understand your concern for us, but the way you confront us, the way you shout on us, pulls us far away from you. And I just want you to know that our teenage phase is not what you think. We are daily struggling with something unexpected. We are learning, but more than that, we are failing at coping up with the pressure. Pressure of doing well in academics, the pressure of staying relevant in the class, bullying, friendship breakups, insecurity. Every day we are grinding without shouting, complaining, and announcing. Trying to figure out which can't be explained, crying every night, then playing a playlist to escape the reality. In this fragile time, every undertone, every criticism, every comparison kills us inside. We doubt ourselves. What's wrong with me? Am I the only one feeling this? Why are you causing more pain? We are already going through a lot of things. This shattered us completely inside into pieces. Because all we need is a little patience from you. Understand our perspective that we have bad days too, and we don't want to share everything with you. Just know that we love you. We don't hate you when we ask you about our privacy and a little freedom. You need to understand that we are capable of doing things on our own. But when you take the control, we are left with nothing but frustration and anger, and it distances us from you. If we would ask for advice, we would tell you everything. We would share our feelings with you, but only when you treat us like individuals. Only when we feel safe that you won't gossip about it with your neighbor. It's not like we haven't tried to explain you what we want, but you are not ready to accept the fact we are at a certain age where we do certain things and it doesn't make us a bad person. When you question why we talk to our friends late night even though we met each other in school, why do you think we can't question you when you talk to your friends all day? We have our social circles too. Instead of shouting, you should calmly tell us why you don't want us to do certain things. But no, you are obsessed with controlling us. You are scared that we are getting out of control, but it's just the part of growing up. But seems like you forgot to grow. You taunt us that we are useless, but when we bring the idea to you, you're the one to tell us it's useless. You're the one to force us your subject interest on us. You're the one to not understand our passion. You're the one to compare us. You're the one to not understand us when we try to explain ourselves. Trust me, parents, we are not asking something extravagant. We just need the basics to give us our privacy and a little freedom, which we need. Everything will be solved if you communicate and leave your stubbornness. We need you to understand us, support us. We would listen to you if you tell us what you're concerned about instead of putting restrictions.